Come in next page. All living things eat and drink to stay alive and get energy. So all living things eat and drink. So which things are eat and drink for stay alive? That is called a living thing. So all living things eat and drink. All living things eat and drink. So underline this line. All living things eat and drink. Okay, stay alive and get energy. Mountain trees need air, plants need water, fish need food. So air, water and food, this is the basic need of all living things. Air, water and food, this is the very important for all living things. If the living things are alive, so they need air, water and food. Okay, it's clear to all of you. What is living thing? Living things that are alive are called living things, and living things, all living things need water, food and air. Okay, and every living things eat and drink. Okay, uh, non-living things do not need air, food and water. So non-living things do not need air, food and water. You can see chair chair need air? No. Need water? No. Need food? No. But your plant need water, need air and need food. Okay? Your fish, your dog, your pet dog is also need air, is also need food, is also need water. You also need air, you also need food and you also need a water. Your mother, your father. So living things need water, food and air, but non-living things do not need air, food and water. You can see the example of chair, floor, fan, cooler, your books, your bag, your shoes, your socks. So everything that is not living things. They do not need air, they do not need the food, they don't need the water. Okay, this is the non-living things. You do not feed your doll or take your school bag for a walk. So this is clear to you. You do not feed your doll. Your doll is not need the air, food and water. Okay, see, don't need the doll is not need the food, so you do not feed your doll. And take your bag, take your school bag for a walk. You can take your school bag for a walk? No, you cannot take your school bag for a walk, and your school bag is not walking. Your school bag is not walking because that is non-living things. Okay, living things move. Living things move. Living things move. Your school bag is not move. Your doll is not big without the help of you. Okay, so non-living things is not move, but living things move. Your mother can move, you can move, your pet dog can move. Okay, so this is living things. Living things move. If you recall your day today, you might have seen a dog wagging its tail, a bird flying in the sky, a man climbing a bus, and a classmate going out of the classroom. These are some way in which living things move. So dog, bird, man, classmates are living things because they can move. Okay, it's clear to all of you. Okay, here is one fact. There is no life on the moon as there is no air, water and food on it. So why the life is not possible in the moon? Because there is no air, no water and no food. So that's why the life is not possible in the moon. Okay, so that's all for today's class. We will meet our next class. Stay safe till then. Thank you.